Hi, this is Ivona from CNX. In this video, I will demonstrate how to administer the Valence portal by using the Portal Admin app. Portal Admin is accessible by default to the VV Admin user, but this authority setting can be adjusted. You can grant or revoke access to the app or section of the app to any user. Please see global settings in the Valence guides for more information. When launched for the first time, Portal Admin will show settings that apply to all apps and Valence Portal in general. Here in the Settings section, you can see the basic information about your IBMI system, your serial number and partition ID, as well as the information about the status of your license. As I scroll down, you can see there are many other settings for controlling the Valence Portal login, IBMI settings, portal appearance, portal administration security, and many other technical settings. You can collapse and expand each area by clicking on the area's title bar. To save changes, click the Save button in the lower right corner. Please see the Portal Administration section of the Valence guides for more information. To see the list of all sections included in Portal Admin, click on the App Navigation drawer in the upper left corner. A list of all sections will appear on the left. To administer a particular section, click on its name. The next section on the list is Users, which will list all IBMI profiles and Valence-only profiles authorized to log into Valence. IBMI user profiles that log in will be automatically added here by default, but this can be turned off if needed. Click on the username to edit the user's information and manage important authorizations such as groups, environments, and individual apps to which the user is authorized. Click the Save button in the lower right corner to save any changes. You can also click the menu on the left to edit, copy, or remove user. Now let's look at the Apps section, which defines all apps that can be run within the Valence portal. Click on the app that you want to edit to see all the options. In Basics, you can find the link to the app location, edit the portal icon for the app, and maintain other basic app settings. In Settings, you can change app settings including the way you want the app to launch, app's category, and the portal it should be included in. In Groups, you can specify the groups to which the app belongs, and in Translations, you can manage the translation for the app name and description so the app will appear in a user's native language. To save changes, click the Save button in the lower right corner. Next, let's look at the Groups section that allows you to define groups of apps to make it easier to administer authority for Valence users. For example, you can specify that certain apps belong to a named group like Development or any name you like, then authorize the group to certain users instead of the individual apps. Hover the mouse over the group name to enable the edit options. Clicking the button in the upper right corner allows you to toggle between Tile or List view. Let's keep the Groups section in the Tile view for now. Buttons located in the lower right corner allow you to create a new group, download the groups list to an Excel spreadsheet, or refresh the page. The Categories section allows you to maintain how apps on the Valence Portal Launchpad are organized. You can edit the name of a category or its translation, or remove the category. You can also remove a category by clicking the X sign in the menu on the left. You can reorder the categories and apps themselves by dragging the category in the menu on the left to the correct position, or by dragging apps to the correct position in one category or between different categories to fully customize the layout. To save changes, click the Save button in the lower right corner. The Environments section allows you to maintain IBMI library lists to be used when a user runs Valence apps. Users can be authorized to one or more environments, and if they are authorized to more than one, are able to switch between them as needed. Click here to edit, copy, or delete an environment. Clicking the button in the upper right corner allows you to toggle between tile or list view. You can also create a new environment or download the environments list to an Excel spreadsheet. The Languages section lists all the pre-translated languages used in the Valence portal. Enabling languages in this list affects the available languages on the Valence portal login page. Developer tokens are used by authorized developers for development and testing purposes to make calls to any RPG program or PHP script, regardless of authority. You can edit, copy, remove, or create new tokens by clicking on the correct button. Web Services allows you to configure RPG programs to be used through Valence as generic web services, which can be made available to non-Valence apps. If you choose to do development with Valence and PHP instead of RPG, PHP integration section assists you with ensuring your PHP installation is properly configured for use with Valence. For more information, start the Valence guides from your Valence portal launchpad, then look for the portal administration section.